Hello my dear friend, how are you? Welcome to another video. If your phone is with storage full problem, I'll show you the step-by-step to solve this problem. The first thing you need to do is looking for your Play Store app. When you find where your Play Store app is, you just tap right here. It will show this screen. You must click at the top right button in your name, in your profile name. Tap right here. It will show this screen. You must click in Manage Apps and Device. Tap right here and wait for a few seconds. Just let you know, this screen will show all apps are installed inside your phone. So, to you check all your apps from Play Stores, you need to click right here in your storage, like this way. 35 gigabytes of 116 giga used. In your case, it will show another number. Tap right here and it will show all of your applications that you install. You just need to click in all application that you aren't using anymore. Like I don't use FireRed, I don't use GBA, I don't use Samsung Health. And now you must select all apps that you want to delete. When you select all your apps, you just need to click at the top right corner in this rubbish, this trash can. So it will show this messenger on your screen, uninstall select the apps, and you just click in uninstall. Wait for a few seconds and it is one of options to you delete. Okay, all the apps will be uninstalled. The second thing you need to do to clear all your storage if you have a full storage problem is back to the main screen. You need to access the settings of your phone. So looking for this icon, engine icon, settings, and tap right here. If you aren't finding this icon, you just need to swipe down with your finger like this way, and the engine icon is at the top right corner. After that, you need to go in apps. So looking for apps, tap right here in apps, and you must to select the app that you more use to clean all cache from this app. For example, Instagram. I'm looking for Instagram on the screen. Okay, for example, Instagram, and you need to go in usage and storage. Okay, tap right here in storage, and you need to click in this option, clear cache. Cache is a temporary memory, so careful you do not click in clear data. Okay, just click in clear cache. Tap right here and wait for a few seconds. So all it's done, but you need to clear cache in all app you use. Okay, for example, in Facebook, in WhatsApp, you can clean cache. The third thing you need to do to fix the storage problem is to back in the configurations until the main screens of settings. You need to swipe down until the bottom and you need to click in About Phone. When you click in About Phone, you need to click in Software Information, and after that you need to click many times in Build Number. When you click many times in Build Number, you will start the developer options. So tap right here many times and put your PIN. In developer mode has been turned on. Okay, so back to the main screen until you find this option, developer options. Tap right here and developer options is on. You just need to scroll down until you find these options. Force allow apps on external. Just tap right here and now it's done. Your phone will be quickly and your full storage problem will be solved. I hope I helped you with this tutorial, so don't forget to subscribe at this channel, leave a like, and until the next video with more technology videos. See you my friend, until the next video, and see ya!